Hello, I'm Seerat, and today I'm here to discuss tracking e-commerce in Google Tag Manager. Now, we have two types of e-commerce, standard e-commerce and enhanced e-commerce. So, what is the difference between these two? Standard e-commerce tells us that what was purchased and when it was purchased. It gives us the informations like what is the total transaction amount, what is the order ID, and these things. But enhanced e-commerce helps us to get a more detailed view, like how did the user purchase the product? How many times was the product put up in front of the user before the user actually purchased it? And many more detailed aspects. So we already know how to do standard e-commerce, and today we are going to see how to do enhanced e-commerce. But I will not be able to show it completely as I am not using WordPress. So in WordPress, we have the option of WooCommerce where we can directly able enhance e-commerce from there, and the data will be included in the data layer. I'm not using that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to push the data to the data layer myself, and we are going to view it then. So first of all, let us preview our website. You can connect. So here I have just simply changed this button and I have added this product page here. So we are gonna do the tracking from this page, right? So we are gonna first track the data from the URL and push it to the data layer. So let's go to Google Tag Manager, go to tags, and here I have this. So if I have taken this help from here, basically, this tells us that what all things can be tracked using enhanced e-commerce. We can track product impressions, product clicks, product detail impressions, add, remove from cart, promotion impression, promotion clicks, checkout, purchase, and even refunds can be tracked, right? So if I click here, like if I scroll down, yeah, so this is from where we can see, and I have taken this help. And so first of all, we are just, setting the e-commerce object as null so that if there is any previous object, so it will be cleared. Then we are pushing the detail of the product, the SKU, the name, the price, and the quantity. So we are adding all these things. Now the trigger is the page view trigger, and it specifies that the URL price should be greater than 0, right? So this tag, the script tag, will only be fired when a page view occurs and when the URL price is greater than 0. So I have named this as page view price. Cross this. So this is the script that we have created. We'll cross this. Now we have pushed the data into the data layer. Now we need to send it to Google Analytics, right? For that, we have created this tag here. So here we have selected tag type as Universal Analytics from here, from this list. And then track type is page view. Then Google Analytics settings is GA cross domain. This I set it up in a previous video. Now I have enabled the overriding setting, like I'm going to change a few things here. So I want them to override. If I go to e-commerce, then there is this option of enabling enhanced e-commerce features, right? Okay, so this has the option of inherit from the settings variable true and false. I have selected true here. I have the option to use data layer, or I can also select the variables if I have created one, but we will use the data layer. Now, if I scroll down in the advanced settings, I have enabled tag sequencing because my data is not coming from external platforms, it is just being added through a tag. So I want the data to be added before it is sent to Google Analytics. So I want that to be completed. So we have selected this option. Just a second. Yeah, we have selected fire a tag before this tag, and I have selected that tag as DLP Enhance E-commerce, the script that I just wrote. And I have also clicked this option that do not fire GA commerce detail if this fails or is paused, right? And in the triggers, I have selected all pages. Now let's hit save. Let's go to preview. Click continue. If I go to my website here and click this button, so this appears in front of us, right? We have the parameters in the URL. So let's just go here and see the summary. Yeah, we see that DLP enhanced e-commerce tag was fired and GA e-commerce detail is also fired. Now, if I go here and see container loaded, so I'll see that, okay, these tags are fired. And if I go to my, here, I go to my data layer. So yeah, I see that whatever we pushed through the JavaScript code is visible in the data layer. So this is really a simplified and just a demo code that we have just tried to create it. But if we are using WordPress and WooCommerce, the data will be available in the data layer by itself. And then we can just simply track it from the data layer and send it to Google Analytics. Thank you.